What's up, Wayne Barron here with Targus Studios, and today we're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro inside of the Creative Cloud subscription. And what we're going to be doing here today is that we have a lot of uhs in my video, as in you're talking and then you go and I have that in my video a lot. So I need to remove them, and this is just a quick sample of it. Go night, so you can hear it right here. Night. So I need to get rid of that so that it goes straight from here to here. Now, as you can tell, we can only, let's go ahead and zoom in some. We can only go one frame at a time, and that is not going to work for what we need to do. So what we're going to do here is come over here to the little three lines, click on it, and choose Show Audio Time Units. And once we do that, we can sit here and scrub anywhere we want within our audio. Now, we have two ways of doing this. The first way is not going to work, and that is using the old-fashioned Control K. Once we hit the Control K, it puts it right there. So let's take another look. Let's go right over here. Now let's hit Control K. As you can see, our blue line is here of our timeline indicator, and our Control K split is on the left. And then if we come over here, let's go right here and let's hit Control K again, it puts it on our left again. And so what that is that it will only put the split on wherever the frame is at. So the only way to do this that I have found is simple. Hold down the Control key and click. And what we're going to do is that we're going to add markers to each part. So this is where the starts at. And it pretty much stops about that. So we're going to hit one right there too. Now we need to come to the end about here, create one there, and then come over here and put one here. Now we can drag this down to the bottom, and then let's play it over. School night, and now there's no more school night. So that is one easy way to get rid of any audio defects that you need to get rid of whenever you need to dive in really deep inside of your audio in order to make it sound good on your video. I am Wayne Barron. This is Targus Studios. It's out of Premiere Pro 2020, part of the Creative Cloud subscription. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.